Hanging out with your cuz? Hi!
He's just like, yeah, I'll eat it. Oops. What's happening with the hands?
They're holding hands.
Oh, look at that. That's so sweet.
I ran out of videos. Here, you
That's
take
so
this video.
sweet. Look, he's like, I'm coming after your sweater.
It like kicks me off. Like, you have more space for your videos. It's like they're really aware of each other for the first time.
Start pushing and shoving pretty soon. I didn't say literally had to push her.
What's Cuzzy doing?
Aww. They're so cute.
Now he's like, what's she doing?
He's like, hey.
Hey, look at me. I'm important.
What's happening?
I'm supposed to look at him.
She's like, now I'll look.
Yeah, turn them towards each other, maybe. No. No, we just have unhappy.
What's up, swirls? There's that thumb again.